It's good. Sweet like the girl next door. And cut. Whitney, take 5.
Gesundheit.
What?
I say Gesundheit on that sneeze.
Oh. Thank you. I guess I'm allergic to that perfume.
It'll be worth if you get the job, huh?
Do I know you?
Unclear. The flames will probably consume us both.
That sounds pretty clear to me.
3, and 1, 2.
Wait! There's a lot of dust down here.
2, 3.
Employment insurance.
Mary, POTUS is not going to make any cuts to unemployment insurance, and you know that.
Do I need to explain to you how haggling works?
How about a 10% cut to NIH, okay?
I need 20.
No, I can't do those numbers. That's not going to work. God bless you.
Thank you. Then the only obvious solution is unemployment insurance.
No, I told you. I can't do that. What are you doing?
What?
You stalling for time? Let me get you a Kleenex, yeah?
I think it's over. Sneezes always come in 3s, if you ever noticed that.
Oh, really? Is that so? Oh, well, that was a 4th. So maybe I need to tell you about how counting works, right?
So, Milo and Hannah should be in the middle of their date right now. Unless they're at the end of the date, which means it's not going well.
Neil, it's their date. It's out of your hands.
Well, that's like saying a football game is out of the coach's hands. You know, I put the players on the field. I want them to score. You know, it might not be a bad idea to shoot Milo a text just to check in.
No one checked in on us on our first date. Look where we ended up.
Guess that one really snuck up on you.
You didn't have to get me flowers.
Chicken noodle.
Oh, good. I was worried you just got me flowers. No, Neil, you're gonna get sick.
So you guys are local heroes now?
Just local.
Try not to scratch, Miss Winland.
Please call me Judy.
Let me see your eyes for a sec. Conjunctiva injected. Where have you been?
Here, since you saw me. First the traffic, it's getting worse and worse every year. And then the accident, and now this.
Idea what set off your allergies?
Well, the area rug is wool. Though there's clearly been a cat here. And, oh, that.
Maculopapular pruritic. Red, bumpy, and itchy. Bless you.
I mean, look at this place. She's changed so much. And on top of my existing allergies, I seem to be allergic to everything she has.
I think he's catching on quite well.
Are you feeling okay?
Never better.
Is the phone for me?
Only if you're Wogs Market. It can take an order for 12 Peking ducks.
Maybe you should stay home.
I feel fine. It's the lack of sleep that's the worst. What dignitary?
Nice of you to show up, Luce. Wish I had your hours.
I wish I had your parking space. Those of us without assigned parking have to park in Maryland.
Would you like a little cheese with that wine? By the way, I'm glad you're here. Hang on. Hey, that reminds me.
How are you feeling?
How do I look?
Like the woman is about to bail me out of doing the rest of my reports. Look, sorry I can't help, but we're on this big case. Yeah, me too. Wine first. You know what? That's fine. As long as I get them by the end of the day. Oh, nice. Do you charge extra for the shower?
Yeah. Oh, hi, Demetrius. Right, the Malaysian data file. You know, I'm almost finished. All right, I'll send it to you when I'm done. Okay. Did I say almost finished? I meant almost started. Great. Heard what happened?
I'll be okay. How are you feeling?
Like death warmed over.
Maybe 50 minutes, and no one's bloated from eating.
Ah, perfect, Amy. You are a genius. I just want this night to be so... Oh my God. No. I cannot be getting sick. Not tonight. Not tonight.
I'm sure it's just a sneeze of anticipation.
Okay, I have to go home. See my head. Tonight is happening.
Just have fun. It'll all be great.
Look at you, right on time.
I don't want to waste a minute.
Oh.
Hey, you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm just excited that you're here.
103 degrees. Oh, son of a big fat sweaty hog butt. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to swear. I'm not sure that you did. Bless you. God, stupid Tom. It's all his fault.
Yeah, it's like Disneyland in here.
I mean, your face is burning up.
Also because you're near.
I think you have the flu.
I think so too.
Hey, why are you crying?
Because I ruined our big night.
No, it's not ruined. It's just postponed.
Oh, God. I understand if you want to go.
Oh, Magnolia is sick as a dog and she won't let me leave. Okay, I'll be right over. Please hurry. It's like a Stephen King story over here.
So I was hoping maybe someone around here could take her out shopping or to a movie. You know, entertain her.
Well, sure. That's not a problem.
Sorry. I have a cold.
Linda. Oh, I'm really in a hurry. I've got to get this report to Mr. Sunry. You know, the Ridgefield meeting's just about to start. There's someone here to see you. Her car's ready. She needs a lift. Let transportation handle it. Oh, she specifically asked for you. I understand the two of you have struck up quite a friendship. Fine.
I told her to be here at 9 o'clock. She's not even close.
Well, don't say anything. It's her very first day.
What can I say? It's Mrs. Richfield's niece.
Susie!
Welcome. Thanks. My aunt told me to say that. Thanks, you know, for the job.
Oh, all I did was mention your name. You got this job strictly on merit.
Strictly on merit.
Oh, Bob Phillips, Susie Richfield.
Glad to have you on board. This opening came up because the last receptionist had trouble making it in here by 9 o'clock.
11 would be better.
What's that?
Diversity. A little under the weather?
Oh, just a little. You needed me?
Yes. How's it feel to be an equity partner?
Good.
The power's surging through you?
Something surging through me.
There, now steer the group onto a more conservative path.
What's up?
Oh, I need to head out this afternoon. I was hoping you could look over the civil proposal. There's another code. You two need to stay away from me.
Do you need anything else, Diane?
No, thank you.